We have the schematic circuit. We have the real circuit that has the photo sensor, that is it, the red LED that we know that is 1.8, the value of the volts. Well, we have that EC is equal to 15 milliamperes. So we need to start to analyze the circuit. So first we need to change small the circuit because it's better to analyze it. So we have that IR1 is equal to 15 milliamperes, well 5 volts over 150, and that gives us 100 nanoamperes. Well, next we calculate IR1, that is the BC over R1 plus R2, and that gives us 5 ohms. Now we calculate BRC, and that's 38.73, 5.50.1 milliamperes, and it gives us 588.823. And next we calculate BC, that it gives us 1 over 10, and it gives us 0.6 volts. Now we calculate RC, that is 0.6 over 50.1 milliamperes, and that gives us 88.21 ohms. Next we calculate the R, that is 5.5023 volts over 15 milliamperes, and that gives us 38.9882 ohms. And that's all. That's the circuit. Good afternoon, teacher. Well, I'm gonna explain the circuit. So this circuit is a light detector because the photoresistance works with light and no light. So when it's no light, the resistance decreases and lets that the current pass for all the circuit, that is a divisor of tension. So the volts are divided by the circuit, and when it's not light, the LED starts to light. And now when I cover the resistance, it starts to shine.
Hi, I am Alex, and I am going to explain the second circuit, that is an alarm. The bit of the transistor is 150. Follows the Kirchhoff's law, we obtain the next calculus, that is 5 volts equal to voltage of LED plus VRC. 5 volts minus 1.8 volts of the LED is equal to VRC. The result is 3.2 volts. And IRC is 15 milliamperes and IC is 40 milliamperes. Now to calculate IB, we make the operation, that is 40 milliamperes divided 150 is equal to 266.66 micro, and B is 0.5 volts, and IRC is 3.2 volts divided 15 milliamperes. The result is 213.33 ohms, and VCE is 0.5 volts. Follows the Kirchhoff's law, we obtain the next values. VCC is 5 volts minus VBE, that is 0.7 volts, minus VRE, that is 0.5 volts. The result is 3.8 volts. To calculate, RB is 3.8 volts divided 266.66 micro, and the result is 14,250 ohms. And now to calculate IE is beta plus 1 multiply IB. Substitute the values is 150 plus 1 multiply 266.66 micro, and the result is 40.266 milliamperes. And finally, to calculate RE is 0.5 volts divided 40.266 microamperes, and the result is 12.41 ohms. That's all.
Is Joshua. This circuit is an alarm circuit. This circuit has different components like resistance and transistor and relay and a buzzer. When the push button are push, the circuit is going to do nothing, but when the push are open, the LED and the buzzer start to shine, and the buzzer make a sound.
Now the